I have learned quite many things. I'll go one by one. First of all, I learned about the most important thing is how to set your goals. You have to set your main objectives and goals out of all the goals that you have in your mind, because it is very important that if you accomplish those 3 or 5 goals, you'll be able to accomplish a lot more than any other goals. For that, of course, I'll take out the list of the things that I need to do, and then I'll make top 3 and 4 as my main objectives, as my main KRs. Second is to achieve those goals, I'll make sure that nothing interferes it. Like there is no information overboarding. Like in my case, I have decided I'll not watch news channels, or I won't read newspapers in the first thing in the morning.
Very good.
I'll
So round of applause for
avoid
him.
I'll try to avoid it.
Italian.
I'll try to avoid it so that it doesn't hinder my all day activities. I'll learn to say, although I say no quite many times, but I'll revisit it and I'll say no to people or to any event which interferes in my interfere in the achievement of those goals. And for that, I have thought that I'll learn to be a bit more polite when I say no to people, because usually people get hurt when you say no to them. So there is a technique that I have learned a few years back, and it's called yes and. You say yes and, for example, if somebody asks you to do it, I'll say yes, I'll do it, but let me finish this work, then I'll do it. Then I'll take small breaks to keep myself energized. I'll take my small meals, which I don't take usually, but I think I'll start taking it. And
You already take small meals, man.
yes, I'll make sure that I start my day with the most important job, or the toughest job that is to be done throughout the day, and I'll try to complete it in the first half, so that second half is left for other activities. I'll avoid multitasking, because in our environment it's very difficult to say that I'll not do it. We have to do it sometimes, but I'll avoid it so that errors are less, I'll make less mistakes. And last but most important, I'll live in the present. I'll focus on the job which is in my hand right now. The job that has been dealt will not be my priorities. Neither the job that are coming up. We'll see it when it comes, but the job that is being given to me right now, I'll focus on that. So those are things that I have learned, and I'll try to apply it in this thing.
Big round of applause.
Yeah.
Monish.
Yeah. When I came to this program in the morning, I had some expectations from the same, and now at this point, I've got my answer to the expectations. And the first thing I've learned is to focus on the main areas. I'll focus on my priorities first, and focus on the most important things, and list down the 3 to 5 main things which I think are important in the present week, month, year, and the days to come. And also regarding the information overload, I'll try to go curtail and manage my TV hours, the social media networking, the phone, and the SMSs, so that I can focus more on my priorities first. And about the habit 3, about saying no, I've learned that prioritizing is important, but sometimes you have to say no to things, and which I'll try to bring in my daily life. And Then regarding the prioritizing with the to-do list, that is prioritizing the topmost with ABC and then 1, 2, 3, and I'll try to do it one day before the day starts the next day, or early in the morning. Dedicate 10 to 15 minutes at what I have to do in that day. And regarding the other things, in my work schedule, I try to take power breaks and also to do 45 minutes of pure concentrated work, which will help me lose on the main tasks to be done, that is A1 and A2. And regarding multitasking, I try to curtail. It's not completely that we can't avoid it, but I'll try to avoid it. And the last thing is I'll try to live in the present and put down all the priorities in one paper and put down everything what's coming in my mind, so that it vacates my memory
RAM.
for other things to do.
Good. Applause. तालियां तो फ्री है. Yes, Saurav.
Yes. First of all, I would like to say thanks that you have
Okay.
conducted a very good workshop.
Oh, thank
And
you.
in fact, not me, everybody has learned. And
I record
Maybe
this
to-
so I can show it to my wife. She says कि ये क्या बार-बार बकवास करते हो, बंद करो.
maybe to some extent to this, well, they can extract the best out of it. Now, what I have learned and what we have discussed and what I have learned is, we have to identify majorly 3 or 4 objectives. Instead of having 10 at one time, you will not give justice to anybody. So identify 3 to 4 and then work on it, also on a priority basis. So then you can give justification to it and set the KRS accordingly for this. Now productivity, the first thing I've learned here, the productivity will be increased by having more knowledge and learning. The more we will read, the more we will prioritize the work, more we will have some time. There will be more productivity, the more knowledge we gain. And this we will gain by mere concentration, and if we have a 3 or 4 KRS, not more than that. And the third thing, what I learned is, basic aim is to do the toughest job first. And then you can give those later on. Doing the toughest job, what I learned is quite motivating and giving energy to the next level. And in the evening you can do doing a less tough jobs. That I've learned here. The most important, sir, I've learned is that instead of multitasking, you can set tasks. If you have 3 or 4 tasks, instead of multitasking, doing it one way, we will save time.
Correct.
You can have 1 to 4 tasks on the priority list, say from A to D. So we can complete and we can do just it.
Right.
No multitasking.
One at a time.
Because I have learned, due to some examples you have said, due to some practicality you have given, that it is a more stress buster. Rather than we will save time, but it will give a more
Cause
gain,
more stress.
more stress. So this is what I learned, sir. And now how I will apply.
Main part.
Main part. Main part is, sir, if we come for focus only on the most important things. So again, as we have learned, we will imply that focus on strategy to achieve the second level of things. But
Okay.
it will only happen once we will focus on the most important things.
Correct.
And the second thing, what I grabbed from your thing, is a new thing, that there should be no shortcuts. If we do 4 to 5 KRS, and we will not do justice. So instead of 5, we will do 2, and we will not go for shortcuts. Rather than we will go for full dedication and we will complete the job.
Great.
Second is about manage information. So what I feel is,